got this marked. I just kind of scratched into the paint, but that's where I'm going to cut it out so we can get to all these adjustments on the top of the coilover. Trying to make this look a little bit more uniform. Okay, so we got the bushing out. Now there's there's this little metal ring that we're gonna have to like cut and take a piece out and then, you know, shove the rest of it out. So bushing knocked out and this metal piece and grease our new bushings. It's kind of like icing a toaster strudel. Then we're gonna press this in here. There you go. Just clean off the excess grease. cut a hole to go over that center, and then we're going to make a template by just pressing on these guys. We're just going to line this up the very best we can, and that's where we're going to drill. You're going to pop this guy on first, and we're going to push it up. So now all we have to do is tighten this bolt up and install the sway bar. Okay, so I had a tape on this guy to keep it from falling through, so all this stays in order, just so I can get this side done. I stopped trying to film this part just because I got frustrated and actually had to redo all the work I just did just because this one bolt decided to fall out when I took the tape off. So that was my fault. To remove these brake pads, we've got to pull this pin out, and it goes through both of these, and then we're going to take and pull both of these pins out because they actually go through the brake pads, and then we'll go ahead and compress this to make room for the new rotors. Now that we got the brake pads out of the way, this is the cylinder that goes into the caliper. You have to spin these back calipers in. So we're just gonna try to line this up. And it's gonna compress into the cylinder to make room for the extra pad width. Slip in just like that. I don't know about y'all, but I am super excited on how this thing turned out. It was a ton of work getting this to this point. Didn't know how much the bushings were gonna suck, but got them done. Glad it's over with though. So huge milestone for this car. Definitely gonna take a break for the holidays and just spend time with the family. I've been neglecting everybody. But this car looks so much better. The wheel fitment, everything looks incredibly better. So I know you probably can't tell how low this thing is, but let me just tell you, it is pretty low. And this is the max ride height that it's set to. So after I get an engine in, the front's gonna go down a little bit, and then I'll adjust the ride height all around, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed.